Hi, I am PixelPia, and today I want to share with you how you can create a post on Instagram. So let's take a look at my Instagram. Here we are on the homepage of Instagram. I can start creating a post by clicking the little plus up here, and I am straight into my gallery on my phone. But I can also go to my homepage by clicking the little icon avatar at the bottom. And at the top here, you have the little plus sign. When I click that, it says create post, reel, story highlight, and so forth. We are creating a post. So what happens when I click the create post from my homepage is that my camera is the first place it goes to. So now I can take a photo of myself. I can at the bottom here go to the gallery again if I want to take a photo there and upload. But let's take a photo, and all we have to do is to click the little button here. So there we go. On top here, this little magic wand, it's called Lux, and I guess it is some kind of beauty filter, something. We're not gonna change anything there. It is what it is at my age. We can use different filters down here. There are a lot of them. Colorful, black and white. But since this is just a simple test, I am gonna use the normal. We can also edit. We can adjust the first one. This is my photo. When I adjust that, it goes this way or this way. The middle one, when I adjust that by dragging down here, it goes this way and this way, but the plane is the same. The last one, if I change that, the photo goes this way or this way. I hope that helped you understand. The only thing I would change in this is I would straighten it up a little bit so I am more straight like that. And done. We can change brightness, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, color, fade, highlights, shadows. We can add a vignette by just dragging this, how much darkness we want on the outer edge. Let's keep it like that. Tilt, shift, and sharpen. So let's keep it like that. And now we just hit the little button. It's time to write the caption. Hi, I am testing to post to IG. I can tag people here. I can add location. If I have a fundraiser going, I can add that or create a promotion. And I can share the post to Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Under advanced setting, I can choose to hide, like, and count view counts. I can turn off comments so people can't comment on my post. And I can write an alt text, a text that describes the picture for web crawlers and others. If you are visually impaired and you have an app that helps you read text on your phone, if a photo has an alt text, it will read that text for the person who are sight impaired. When I am happy with all this, I just hit my little check mark. As you can see here, it's finishing up. And here it is, my post. I can share this, comment on it, and like it. If I click the three little dots on top here, I can post to other apps, copy the link if I want to use the link somewhere else. Share to is either to a person or to any other web application. I can archive it. That means it's no longer public on my homepage, but I still have access to it. I can delete it, I can edit it, and when I hit edit, it's just the text part I can edit. I cannot go in and edit the photo itself. I can also hide the like count and turn off commenting from here. In this case, I'm actually gonna delete it because this was just for this tutorial. So now it's gone and just my older posts are there. As I said, if I hit the plus and the post, I can also upload something from my photo gallery on my phone. Let's look at this picture. I know that this picture is too big. It's not in the 1:1 format. But I can use this little double arrow down here and make it fit. I get the black bars on top and bottom since it's not a 1:1 format. But I can use a picture like that by doing this. The same with the video. Here you see it cuts off parts of my video. But by using these buttons, I can force it to fit with the empty space on top and bottom. This was a very short and simple tutorial about how to create posts on Instagram. Until next time, hej då!